hand. It makes the world a happy land. Say kind words, not ones that sting, and watch your friendship start to sing. If you push or shout or tease,